Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change transparency of our assistant menu button in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option? We need to go to settings, then in accessibility options we have interaction and dexterity, and here is our assistant menu button. Assistant menu button is here, as you can see. How to change transparency of our button? In here, as you can see, we have our slider. We can make it more transparent or less transparent if we need to. And we can just simply go back to our home screen. No need to save this setting, the phone will remember it. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.